Alright everybody, welcome back. The first thing we want to do with our image is to prep our image. So let's go ahead and start by duplicating the layer. Once we duplicated our layer, we want to go over to the toolbox, select the magic scissors, and begin to crop out our object in our picture. In this one it will be the car. Start by outlining the car. We want to click, let go, and click again. Do not drag, simply click, let go, select another point, click, let go of the mouse, and keep going. Just a general outline, that'll do. You don't have to be perfect. One thing to note is that when you're getting to the very end of your image, make sure you click on the very first dot that you clicked on. Once you've done that, press enter on the keyboard and it should select your object, in this case our car. You want to toggle the quick mask on the bottom left hand corner. What this does is shows us what is selected and what's not selected. What's in color is selected and what's in red is not selected. As you can see, we can do a little bit better here with the wheels and the fender. So let's go ahead and fix that. What we're going to do is go to the eraser tool and select an appropriate brush size. That looks a little bit too small. Let's go ahead and scale it up a little bit. There you go, that looks good. As you can see, when you first start erasing, where you're erasing is actually selecting more of the image. So you want to invert the foreground and the background and redo what you just did. What that does is it deselects the image. So that's what you want to be using for this part of the project. So let's go to invert. As you can see, we're selecting more of the image now. In this case, more of the car. Just getting some more details here. Let's say you made a mistake and selected too much. Simply invert and color back over. There you go. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. A little bit more there. Okay. Now at this point, deselect the quick mask. And what we want to do is we want to modify the background. So for us to do that, we need to go to select and invert. What that does is it inverts the selection. So right now the background should be selected, not the car. Let's verify that. Again, what's in normal color is what is selected, and what's in red is what's unselected. So that's exactly what we want. Deselect the quick mask, and that's it for the image prepping.